Kabangma hastini shikla shiklirangno hasteo samung manyagei phatar haste rogo thangai samuru duglayo abo haikeno Delhi haste Karnataka hasteni Bangalore auli abo haikeno kabangma Chennai rogobo thanglayo burung baksa samung khlai ajibung khlai nok khungbo busi oitango abo haikeno Bangalore ni Kerelao baibro baksa samung khlaina hnei thangmani Kharang deborma mungoi khoroksa shikla piaba samung khlaina hnei thangmani piaba thuma jorawo thuma sisayangei onai thok sungsar yakari thangka koktumo semanka Kharang debormani nok khung belai no bigra tabok Mangkwthwi tubuna hangkebo rang kabangma nago rang nangnai khok charge basai eba 85,000 abono kitingino Tripura People Foundation ingei Dinesh deborma tabok Mangkwthwi hastebo firogui ronani bagai rang thumbui tongo tabok sajora rang khok chisa sai eba 11,000 hai engka joto Bangalore Chennai Hyderabad Kerelao tongnai rok rangriba bai khok chisa sai rang kakha
Kolomka takobu song haino haima phaiphika kaisa update ranani bagai mandai ghosia nei para khor kaisa jagani tako Kharang de Burma 20 বছর বয়স তিনি fungo Emang Korowi nei hospital langma chawai thangka bo Bangalore ni sadharan Bangalore ni Kerala samkhlai nei thangmani si tain dino khane bo thui basalia ba thui thangka Kharang ma sisabini family o kon phana kre jotono garib nok bo hamsugya bamo hai nei ajinani nei onsugi bo phatar hostel family kintu Bhagwan bono logerelia boni langma chawai thangka takbini langma ke thibini Mangkwthwi rohanan bagai chini yago funds to pelai no kom kuskrei kisapano 85,000 rupees ni deal sajaka chung ambulance team by nai diboni family ni condition the donation ranamu sonero please noro post ni scanner rajak to last jorati video naidi aro scanner no ne o scanner dorok jesu donation ranamu songmani rohari manu Tripura People Foundation to tang khulumka hambai
Lembosara Bagbariwo Tongma, Rajahseri College of Education and Skill College, Tripura Hapangbai Goshimung Manjak, Te Tripura University ni affiliated eba Rungkhungo Chitokja Kaisa English Medium College. Oro Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, Botany, Geology, Human Physiology, Geography, English, Kokborok, Political Science, History, Education, Philosophy, Sociology, or subject of Porijago, or Rungno Kotoro, Pornerongno, All India, Comparative Amjamurongni Bagibo, Magnang no Frungjago. Ring Sunarong Bagai, Thugai, Duda, Mentor Tongo, Tei Tongo, Bas Malkuni Sepsap, Tongo Kuchukbremni, Laboratory, Smart Class, Babai Buri, Nighthawk Krangjak, Tongberni Bishingo Shonsajak, Rajahseri College, Khas Rangino, Subsutara Novochawi, Lekapura Klaimano.
My name is Pinky Devarma and I'm pursuing BSc in Geography Honours. Rajahseri College is one of the best colleges I have ever met in my life. The teachers, the faculty, they provide us to empower in our life and to go for our beautiful future in our life so that we can grow in our daily life. And the teacher, they provide us mentor and they teach how to do the PowerPoint presentation and they encourages us to know about more ability to grow in our environment.
Ani mung Kerelao serma ang geography department ni o college so ang tak second year kalayo bebak mane jeng je college kata phaimani teacher rok sung onek guide khaika kata mani phrangjaka jemon jeng public din rok srungo bai kai student ngo interact khainani gai class of bai kai jeng dolok bai cooperate khai tongnani above the education college sung tomo mani phrangu tak nang na di modern technology ro phai tong AI rong ni amrong phranjago te sin internet rong ni bo kahamno exam ro kaham kan cholibo phrangma ro kaham teacher rok belai no guide kheo kaham kai jengno jani jeng mungsung mayang tongai sungkai teacher rok personally jengno phrango engke jengno jani suppose jeng tabuk kuno mungsa problem kulai tongkha engke teacher rok belai no jengno kaham kai bojogo that bo lamate bidike thanai jeng lama hamya kulai tongkha borokno jeng tuna nayo kaham lamao jengno mushroom plantation rok phrango ungko khongkaima rok phrango plantation of plants and other than that computer skill rok phranjago because modern day or modern technology ma porinai so modern technology pori hangai jeng brain tola kalai thanai thank you.
My name is Isha Bhomik from 6th semester Physics Department of Rajahseri College. This college provides a great opportunity and lots of facility to learn and endure the knowledge and learn more skills in the life. And yeah, I learned a lot of skills from this college, and now it's very useful to tackle with the day-to-day life and to deal with many biggest universities and biggest fields. Thank you.
Haike lerewi tinino faidi. Nini ani jodoni college Rajahseri College of Education and Skill. Nikuma Bagbari Lemboshara Tripura. Kokdug number 9873673875.